Hey everyone, I'm just going to do a quick tutorial video of Chon. So you'll have a video where you can just watch just the form, but you'll also have a video breaking it down and explaining all the movements. So for Chon, in comparison to Basic Form 1, Basic Form 1 is a capital I pattern. So you have your bottom, then you go down the middle and you have the top of that capital I, and you go back down and then have the bottom. In comparison, Chon is a plus sign because you're going to go left and right, but then you're going to go forward and back again. The first 6 moves are exactly the same as Basic Form 1, and then after that is when the form starts to change in pattern. We also start to see another stance and block. So whereas Chon only has front stance, low block, and punch, Chon has front stance, back stance, low block, inside outside block, and stepping forward punches and stepping backwards punches. So now that we kind of have an idea of what this form looks like and the differences between this and the first form, let's go ahead and break it down by doing the form. Alright, so for Chon, it's going to start out the same way as Basic Form 1 like we talked about. You're going to have the same starting position, so just basic ready position. Then we're going to go to the left, starting off, bring your hands up for that X. We're going down to our low block, and we're going to step punch. Going back to the right, low block, step punch, then coming back to the front, low block, step punch. Now, this is where the form starts to change. Instead of going down the middle like we do in Basic Form 1, we're going to turn towards our right, which is also different from the traditional way of turning. You're going to turn towards your right, away from your front foot, all the way around, and that front foot is going to become the same front foot going towards the back. And step punch, that's your second yell. The first yell is on the first move. Here's where we start to see the different blocks and stances. Starting off, going to the left with a back stance and an inside-outside block. Then, step punch, going back towards our right, inside-outside block, step punch. Going towards the back, inside-outside block, step punch, and back towards the front, inside-outside block, step punch. We're then going to add another step forward punch, then step backwards 1 and 2, final yell. And that is Chon. Alright team, so that is your second form, the form for yellow belt, Chon. If you want some extra help with learning those back stances and inside-outside blocks, I'll be posting another video on how to do this properly and breaking down what that stance looks like. And of course, practice, practice, practice. We'll be working on this in class, and I hope this helps.